Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2014 Audi Q5 2.0T, which is a turbo, and it's a Quattro, so it's all-wheel drive. Beautiful pearl white metallic with tan leather interior. Got 18-inch aluminum wheels with new tires. In light new conditions, been taken care of. Very clean. These are fun to drive, very sporty. They got a unique, aggressive, sporty look to it. Just like you got an SUV, that looks like a sports car. It's got the Xeon automatic headlights, daytime running LED lights, fog lights. It's got the Q5 Premium Plus package, so it's got quite a few options. It is a one owner, clean Carfax non-smoker, southern vehicle, no rust. It's got the passive active key. You can unlock and lock by pushing this button. Whoops, I guess I just locked it. It's also got the power heated auto dimming mirrors, as you can see. All right, let me in. There we go. Got memory seat, power windows, power mirrors. It's got the side assist warning light. Beautiful trims. Got the wood trim, two-tone brown and tan. Heated leather seats in excellent condition. As you can see, no sign of wear. It's got the side impact airbags. It's got power seats on both sides. You got lumbar support for the driver's side. Got clean carpets and floor mats. There's your automatic headlights. It's got leather wrapped steering wheel. This one's equipped with the push start button. You put your foot on the brake. And there she goes. All right. Got 87,800 miles. You've got your outside temperature, outside clock, date. It's got everything on here. Trip computer. Shows you got 500 miles left on the fuel tank. Got your audio control. Got voice command for Bluetooth for your phone. That's for the radio. The passenger airbag was off because it's got a sensor in the seat, and this is enough weight to make it think there's a small child in the seat. That's why that came up. Got AM, FM, CD radio with XM satellite, Sirius satellite. It's got the upgraded sound system. I can't say that word, but it sounds really good. It's got automatic dual climate control. You just dial the temperature you want on both sides. It's got ice cold air conditioning. There's your heated seat control. Got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift. You can upshift, downshift here if you want to play. Traction control, hill descent assist, electric parking brake. Everything feels really good quality. Got another 12-volt outlet here, cup holders. Got the original window sticker right at $44,000. It's a tremendous saving considering the condition. Got the owner's manual. It's beautiful fit and finish on these. Got the auto dimming rear view mirror. Got your compass. This one's equipped with the panoramic sunroof. With the power shade, you push a button and it goes all the way back. Very nice. And then half of it opens. Very cool. I like the fact you can close both of them at the same time without holding the button. You just push the button or select the position you want the roof in and it closes. It's got the HomeLink universal garage door opener. Very fun car. You can just feel the quality when you open, shut the door. Just reminds me of a Porsche. which is the same family. It's got decent room for a smaller SUV. Still got plenty of room back here. You've got vents here to keep everyone comfortable, and there's a 12-volt outlet. Everything's nice and clean. You can hear the quality. It's got power lift gate. You can push the button on the remote or the button on the tailgate. Got a nice wide opening. Got a cargo mat to protect everything. Also, you can fold down the seat. I'm gonna do this one. It'll fold down flat. You can do both sides, get you some extra space when you need it. Very nice. Got dual exhaust, and it sounds good. Got rear defrost, rear wiper. So it kind of folds down pretty flat. Power seat on this side also. That's where all the magic happens. We've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It sounds like a small engine, which it is, but it's turbocharged. They're squeezing 220 horse out of this thing, which is over 100 horse a liter. It's like race car performance. Everything's nice and clean, been serviced. You will get a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty on the powertrain. Get your peace of mind. I can sell you more if you want extended warranty, but it does come with some kind of warranty. If you're looking for a sharp SUV, it's kind of unique. You don't see many of them on the road, not around here anyway. At an affordable price, this here is your ticket. To see if this Audi is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.